At eto pala yun, Lancaster Vintage 40 Season 4 Opening. Last August 25, 2025 dito sa General Trias Sports Complex. Participated by 18 teams. At halina't silipin natin ang mga vintage team na posibleng magiging paborito nyong kupunan.